Hello everyone, this is How I Love Geometry. I'm Mr. Tao. This problem is from Introduction to Geometry. In triangle XYZ, we have angle x equals 20 degrees and xy equals xz. So prove that xy is greater than xy is greater than 2yz. And xy less than 3yz. Okay. So first part, we should to prove xy is greater than 2yz. So we can, we will think about if we extended, right? Extended yz and to z prime. And then let z prime equals yz. Now the problem convert to, we just need to prove yz prime less than xy, right? Yeah, it's the same thing like this one, yz prime, because it's double. So to prove this one, we can connect xz prime. We can connect this one, and if we can prove the angle, we just need to prove angle yxz prime. I mean this one, right? This one, yxz prime is less than angle z prime, this angle. It means in a triangle, right? The opposite angle, the opposite side of this angle, if the angle is great, and the corresponding or opposite side will be longer. So we just need to prove this angle is greater than this angle, okay? Because this is 20 degree, and then we know this is 80 degree, and also this is 80 degree. And now we want to, let us suppose this is alpha and this is beta, and alpha plus beta equals 80 degree, right? This is 80 degree. So this is the midpoint. Let us to think about, and here also 2 times of that of this length. So we think about, if we find the midpoint of xy, let us say is m, and we will connect mz. Now if we connect this m and z, m and z will be, m and z will parallel and equals 1/2 of xz prime. So if this is alpha and this is also alpha, right? Because they are parallel. And we know this part equals this, but that's midpoint. And we know in this small right triangle, I mean triangle YMZ, this 80 degree is the largest, because this angle is less than 80, right? Yeah, and of course this is an obtuse, and this one is less than 80. So we know it means this is 80 degree. So it means MZ in this triangle, this is the largest angle. So I mean this 80 degree is of course greater than angle is the y triangle IMZ. This angle XYZ is greater than angle MZ. zy, right? So it means mz is greater than ym. It means this side is greater than this side, and this side equals xm. So now in triangle mxz, also we will get this side mz is greater than mx, because mx equals my. So it means angle alpha, this is alpha, and this 20 degrees. So it means alpha is less than 20 degrees, correct? No problem for that, right? Because this side is greater than this side. So it means alpha. What will happen? And it also means this angle mxz prime is less than this 20 degree plus this alpha also less than 20 degrees. So it means less than 40 degrees. That's important. If this less than 40 degrees, so angle beta, this is less than 20 degrees, and we know alpha plus beta equals 80 degrees. So it means beta is greater than 60 degrees, right? Less than 20 degrees, greater than 60 degrees, and this angle is 80 degrees. So it means beta is greater than this 20 plus alpha. So it means angle yz prime x is greater than angle yxz prime. This one is greater than this one. So it means xy is greater than yz prime. So this side is greater than this side. Then that's what we want to prove, right? Xy is greater than, that's the proof. So the first part we have proved. Okay, let's go for the next part. Now, next part we need to prove this one. So 3yz, so that's not easy, right? 3yz, and we think about here is 20 and 20 degree, and we will think about which one. Let us say this one, the first 20 degree, and this triangle, that's x, y, and z. Here is 20 degree, and we need this set 3 times, right? So we think we will think about, let us construct a, how to find 3 times yz. This is 20 degree, and we think about equilateral triangle, and 20 degree times 3 equals 60 degree. So it means we just need 3 of this one. So we will build another right? We will get z prime, x z prime, and this is also 20 degree, and I mean x z prime equals to x z, of course it equals x y, and also we will build another one. Now this is z prime prime, okay? Z prime prime. I will use this color. Also 20 degree, and x z prime congruent to xy, xz, xz prime. Z prime, here is z. And now we've got 60 degree for this one, 60 degree. And this side equals I mean xz prime equals xz prime. Xz prime prime equals xz prime. So we can easily to think about to connect this side, right? If we connect z prime prime to z prime, right? Now we will find the triangle x z prime prime z prime is an equilateral. Equilateral triangle, right? It means z prime prime z prime. This one equals x z prime prime equals x y equals x z equals x z prime. So now if we can prove z prime prime prime, this one is xy, right? This is xy. If we can prime z prime prime z prime is less than z prime prime y plus yz plus z and z prime, and the problem, the conclusion, this is will be proved. Okay, and now now the problem becomes easier, right? We can easily to know this is 60 degree, so now this is 20 degree. I mean this small, right? And this one is 80 degree. Also this will be 80 degree, right? 80 degree, 80 degree, 20 degree. So is, let me see, this is A, this is B, okay? So it means z prime prime A, that's prime prime, z prime prime, right? Z prime prime A equals z prime prime Y, right? This part, because the isosceles triangle, and the same reason, of course, this is 80 degree, right? And also this is 80 degree. It means AB parallel. So the same reason for the prime B, z prime B equals z and z prime. Now we got this one. Finally, we just need to prove this yz is greater than AB, right? And also from here we can count this vertical angle, this 80 degree, 80 degree, and this is 80 degree and 80 degree. So this AB is parallel YZ, and we know AB is less than, of course, AB is YZ is greater than AB. We can use triangle XAB similar to triangle XYZ, and we can easily get this, right? So it means if we plug all of them together, z prime prime z will less than 3 times of yz. That's what we need, because this part equals this part, this part equals this part, and this part AB is less than YZ. Okay, that's the whole proving process, and it's done, right? I hope you enjoy it. And the most important idea, we need to get 2 times and 3 times. So 2 times we just double or can extend it yz to z prime, and you find the middle point and this middle point, this part, and then use the relationship between in a triangle, the angles measurement and the side length, right? And the second part, 3 times, we saw here this problem is special. 20, 20, 20, 3, 20 will be 60, and we can construct an equilateral triangle. Then the problem convert to another one, and this becomes easier, right? Bye. See you next video.